Hi! In this video I will show how to assemble the wing for my pattern Aiden the dragon. This is the one I'm working with now. It's not finished yet, but this is my pattern, dragon pattern. So he has some wings. That means that we have to do surface stitches, and I will show you how to do that and how to assemble it into this wing arms. So you have to do the wing first, and from here we will now do surface stitches 2 times like this, and then we will weave in the yarn tails, and then we will assemble it. And it looks, the front looks like this, and the back looks like this. And the front is where the stitches is like facing. But if you do it from here, I don't think it will be seen, like nobody will see if it's front or back. But I like this side more, that's why I think it should be the front. So you take the yarn that will be on the lines here, and then you will count the 9th stitch. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From here you will insert your hook. You can leave a small tail so it's easier for you to weave it in, and then you do a slip stitch or a chain. And now I will go from here to here. So what is important is that this yarn that you're holding will be behind, because you will pick it out from the behind. So you start here, and then it's not important where you insert the hook and you do the stitches. Just don't do it too big, because then it will then it will tighten up, and it doesn't look good. So do them in normal size. Maybe from here, and then you insert in that direction, like so. You go here, and then you will pick up the yarn on the back side, and you pull up a loop, and now you will just, this loop you will go into the loop you had on the hook. So now you did 1 stitch, very easy. Next one, and then you continue just to the middle, to the magic ring. Do the last one, or not last, but the last one will be above here. So I do like this, the last one, and then I will fasten off. So I do one more, like a chain, and then I cut, leave a small tail so I can weave it in, and then I pull it out and pull that tail so it's secured. Now we did the first one. Now we did the next one, and it is I think it is the 16th stitch, but it's the top of that one. So same thing here. So it's like surface slip stitches that I do, that direction. Here, pick up from the behind, all the way down to the magic ring. and the last one above, and then I fasten off. So, and I usually tie this one just tightly, just to secure them even more. So now these are done. Now I'll weave in the yarn tails. And then, so since this is the front, I will do it in the back. But I will do it a little bit discreet, so I follow this line here. And it's enough to do back and forth, just twice. The yarn will not go out if you do like this. And then cut very close. And same thing on this side. These are done, but I will also take this from the magic ring. It's not needed. And maybe in this also, into the orange. So now I will put it in the wing arms, and depending on what side, either, so the middle should be in the middle of the corner, I mean. So either you take from here down, or if you, it will be on this side, then you flip this one and you do from here up. So it depends on, so since I already did this side, I need to do this side now, like this. And how I will assemble this one is that I holding here, I make sure that this corner is on this corner, so it will be a little bit like small that sticks out. Start by do it on the wing. How to assemble is up to you. I do it like this. And since it's different color than the arm, it's important that I pull tightly here so it's not shown. And making sure that this one is not moving. If you feel unsure, then use pins. this corner I go under this black one. So now I will just wave this in. And I do this on the back side, as you see. So no, this one is done also. If you have this kind of, it can be nice to have, to just make the wing stand on the dragon, like secure it so it stands up. You can have this kind of, you can find it in a hobby store. Just fold this one and then push it in. It says stop. And then it's just to, I cut a little bit in, not, you can cut here also, but I do it maybe from here. And then these ones I can actually stick in one stitch. Before I attach it like this, and then I sew it here and it will stand up nicely. So thank you for watching. Bye.